Hey, this is Mark Davis with Big Water Adventures, and I want to just take a minute to point out some of the features of something that I've really come to love, my NavPod. It's been sitting on the bow of my boat now for the last 18 months, and there's several things that, quite honestly, I've found to be indispensable. I mean, what they go by is protection, convenience, and security. And that's really important because the first thing, if you've ever had a unit on the bow of the boat, when that thing is getting shaken to death and beat up and on the trailer and bounced around, you almost have to take it off. And even if you got a mounting bracket, it's still getting rattled around. With this NavPod, if you look at it, it's incredibly beefy. They design them from 14 to 20 inches, but it'll fold down to about a 10-inch height. And they're custom fit. They made them for pretty much every marine manufacturer that's in the industry. You can get one of these that encompasses your marine electronics. So it essentially protects it because it's a dual gasket system, so all the wirings and everything, it's a real easy install. It flush mounts, and it's solid. It's a piece of equipment that protects your electronics. The other thing I like about it, really the most important thing to me, I used to always have to take my marine unit, my front bow unit for sure, off the boat. You're always worried about those things getting ripped off and getting stolen. Well, if you look right here, you've got a really heavy ram mount bracket that keeps it from bouncing. You can physically move it, but it takes a lot to do it. But here's the important thing. This knob right here will only turn if I stick the key in there. If I stick the key in there, I can make this knob turn and I can pull this whole unit off. I can do whatever I need to it. But truth of the matter is, I tightened this thing all the way down. I put it exactly where I wanted it 18 months ago. I locked this knob. If I'm in a hotel, if I'm in a restaurant, if it's at a marina, I don't have to worry about somebody stealing this thing. It's mounted and it's secure. They've got a 10-year warranty. It's really honestly a custom piece of equipment that if you're going to spend anywhere from $1,000 to some tape now $3,000 for one of these units, why would you not want to make sure it's mounted securely so the innards are not getting shook around and ends up causing you a warranty issue? Make sure that nobody can steal it and you just forget about it. You put it up on the bow, it's there when you're ready, all your wiring is sealed. You need to check them out. You can go to NavPod.com, and like I said, a 10-year warranty on something today means it's built right. You're going to love one of these things. Get one on the bow of your boat and forget about your front unit. It'll be ready when you are.